So, hi everybody. Today I will show you how to upgrade OpenBSD from 7.3 to release 7.4. I have actually done it already once in this machine. You see, we are going to do it now in this other machine. And of course, you can upgrade only from 7.3 to 7.4 with older machine like this one, which is release 6, is very old. You cannot do it. You need to do a complete reinstall. But this is a special case, a special machine, very old hardware. So we don't think about that. Let's concentrate on this one. And first of all, let's connect to this machine. And here it is. It's a remote machine, so we are doing everything remotely. And let's hope it doesn't break because it's a few kilometers from here. And it's connected now through a VPN. That machine does not have a public IP, okay? So, as usual, you need to watch the upgrade guide and see what is written. Check the available disk space. That's very easy. So the F-H, excuse me, the F-H. And let's go to see in user available 12 gigs. So we have definitely enough space. Let's go to see read configuration changes and syntax changes, and you go here, open new tab, and you here open new tab. So it tells you, I read it already. I will go fast now. You read it carefully, okay? Configuration change, engine BOCTL, PF sync, and shutdown. To me, this is not interesting. I'm not using this thing except for shutdown, but I shut down usually from, if ever, from root. Dunque, this thing for us is not interesting. Changing packages. In any case, you should check rcctl ls on to see which services you are running on that machine. You see what I have here. Resolve the SSH, DHCP, cron, iperf. This is the thing I'm running there as service. Then it tells me there are changes in packages. I have already skimmed across these packages, and this is not important for me since the packages I have installed, I can see with pkg info, then less. And this is the package installed, and you see that mostly it's stuff related to Python 3. Why? Because I used for a while IPython, okay? And you can see it here that took commanded the load of a lot of packages. So nothing special in general. Yeah, I'm here. I have SQLite, Ruby that I'm interested in, Vim, Emacs, and iperf3. These I use, iperf3. Okay. So I've written here the procedure I do to do the upgrade. This we already used to see the space available, this to see the services we are running, this to see the packages installed. And now I recommend something that's not written in the upgrade guide. But if you are upgrading remotely, I recommend you run tmax, because with this command, tmax, I repeat, if the connection goes down, your shell will not die, and you can SSH again and recover from the point you were at the beginning, let's say. So give it a try. It's very interesting, tmax. So you enter in tmax, and then you do that simple command, do as sys upgrade, do as sys up. I warn you only of one thing, that what happened in this system, that it will need to do its upgrade, and also, as I told you, it's not on a public IP, therefore we need to connect via a VPN that I have. But there is a cron service that restarts the VPN on that machine every 5 minutes if it is down or not working. So we may need to wait a little for the procedure to complete. If I remember well, when I installed this machine, I put all packages. So let's wait a bit. I may accelerate this part later, so keep under control here the clock to see how much time it takes to do the full operation. What kind of machine is this? Well, it's an old Lenovo computer. Old means like 10 years old, something like that, that has been recycled to become a little server. OpenBSD server is a router basically for Wi-Fi router for an hotel. No, not only Wi-Fi. It's a router for all the hotel. Ecco, you see now the connection went down. You notice here that it has updated the firmware, upgrading, and the connection went down. Now, as I told you, is 235, and first of all, we can check when this come up again. But we need to be patient because, of course, it need to do the upgrade procedure, and as I told you, it need to reconnect to the VPN network in which it is. Otherwise, I'm not able to access directly. Oh, eccolo lì. Il ping ha risposto. Vediamo ancora. Bene, la macchina si è riconnessa al VPN, quindi VG1 PF router. Vediamo. Ok, vediamo qui la macchina. Excuse me. So I would say, as you have seen at some moment, the pinger started to work, and so we SSH back to the machine, and that's it. We checked that we have the new version of BSD running, 7.4. We need to do another thing, that is to upgrade the packages. So do SP add -u. This was not a great idea, because I told you it was better to run in Tmax, però now we already run it, so let's finish the operation. And that's it. Our upgrade is done. Okay, I want to check something. Yeah, good. Well, that's it for our procedure. If you want to see more of this about free software, mostly about Linux and sometimes about also BSD and OpenBSD, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.